morning! Tuesday morning. What time is it? 8:04. Samahan nyo kami sandali. Samahan din natin si Mr. Sarap Vlogs. Heading to Ducati. May papagawa ulit siya sa kanyang Panigale bago yung kanilang track day this end of the month. Papacheck din natin to si Multistrada kung meron siya mga update, kagaya ng ginawa ni Omar TV 2 weeks ago sa Multistrada niya. We're heading towards the end of summer. Papasok na tayo ng fall season. Pero mga around ano yan mga late September, early October naman ang fall season. Pero kailangan na rin natin ipa-wash to mga motor uli. Grabe, sobrang dumi. I've been using the Multistrada for 6 straight days. Ito yung pang-anim na araw. Pinantrabaho ko siya pretty much the whole week last week kasi sobrang ganda ng panahon. Yung mainit pa rin pero it's comfortable. Hindi yung mainit na nakakainis. Okay siya pagka nagra-ride ka or when you're moving. Ano lang kami, parang mid-90s lang yung highs namin Most of the time nga parang low 90s pa. Isang linggo tayo nagtrabaho gamit si Multistrada. Hindi natin nagamit yung Monster. Not even once. We're at 14,009 miles sa Multistrada. We are getting close magpalit ng gulong. Siguro hindi mga papacheck natin sa Ducati today. Pasilip lang natin yung status ng bike kasi naka 14,000 na tayo. So far nasa less than 3,000 miles pa lang tayo since last oil change, kaya okay pa. First, morning, good sir. I'm helping Nino drop off his bike.
Okay, cool.
And wanted to see if Mario can plug it in.
Check for update and
Yeah.
stuff like that. You can definitely
Hopefully this is not a lot, and hopefully it's updated. I don't remember. And maybe I'll trade it in.
think about trading it in. What do you got?
That's okay. Oh, there you go.
There he is.
All right, let me help him out, and then yeah, let me know if you have time. If you don't,
Yeah.
then I'll just do it next time.
Morning.
Morning.
Sabi ko, take time ako, wala pa siya.
Papatalo ba ako sa free breakfast? Tangina.
Oo nga pala. Diyan na si Vince.
Yeah. Lagi tayo nasa Ducati, no? Parang ano kayang ibig sabihin nun? Either gusto lang natin tumambay dito, talagang laging sirain ng Ducati, no?
Ayokong tingnan yung pangalawang sinabi mo eh. Testing nila. What's up, bro?
going on, man? How are you, dude?
Good.
Okay, how do you need our help? Just balance it?
Yeah.
Okay. A little bit to the right. Turn to the right a little bit. Because you're turning. Yeah, there you go. Just a little bit. Not too crazy. You're still far. Go ahead. We got you.
Yay!
There you go.
God.
Yeah.
All right. Yep. We'll take care of it. We'll look at it today and see what the hell's going on.
Yeah. That's insane, dude.
Bye. See you in 2 weeks.
Easy enough.
Easy, easy.
I like the seat was lower.
The suspension is slow as well.
Oh,
Yeah.
you had it lowered and everything?
Yeah. All Ducati parts.
The lowering kit?
Yeah.
Hello, sir.
Andito na yung
Hey,
andito na yung CEO.
Excuse me, sir. How are you?
How are you? Yung CEO. Dude, just trade in the Panigale in your Multistrada for this. You look good on this one.
Magandang lalaki po.
So there is a lot of updates then.
I don't know what you're telling me this morning. All right, we're gonna be here for a while. Thanks, Mario.
You got it.
That's good news. I'm gonna be with him all day.
We're putting the O-ring in the freezer.
20 30 minutes, we'll get you guys out of here.
Thank you, sir.
Yep.
Wow. machine. That's a very, it's not foreign to you. That's, you always do that. All right, we're updating.
It's good now, Vince.
Yeah, you're good. I just took it for a test drive, and I just inspect for oil. It's clean.
Still goes 100 miles per hour?
What the hell's that, dude? In gear and roll it up that way?
Yeah.
Yeah, I do. I would do the same thing.
Like a pro, I guess. That's it. Bibilang ko ng lunch yung isa.
Si Jess. Dadali mo sa work.
Oh,
Ako punta rin ako sa may South Point. Bibila ako ceramic.
ah. Okay, Dok. Kailangan ka pa ba doon? Wala na, no?
Wala na.
Okay.
Sige. Thank you.
Okay, Dok. Ingat ka. Alright, so we are done, guys. Tapos na tayo sa Ducati. Nakaalis na rin si Mr. Sarap Vlogs. Tayo naman, bibili tayo ng food. Deliver naman tayo ng food. So everything's updated, everything's good to go. Hindi kami ganun katagal kagaya nung 2 weeks ago kay Omark TV. Yun. Ganda ng start niya. Thank you, Mario. Thank you, Vince, for updating Multi. Ngayon, paramdaman natin kung okay na talaga siya. Mukha naman smooth. Lapad. Ito yung bagong exit. Well, hindi man bago. Sarado to for 2 years. I think more than 2 years. Kasi yung construction nga dito sa Tropicana. That's the T-Mobile Arena, New York, New York, Excalibur, and MGM Grand. Kaya I don't think na idaan ko kayo dito ever kasi sarado nga tong exit na to before. So ngayon nandito tayo sa strip. Tapos that area over here sa corner na to, nakalimutan ko, Tropicana Hotel yung nandyan dati, na demolish na siya kasi magtatayo na naman sila ng panibagong stadium. That's gonna be the Las Vegas Ace. Baseball naman siya, baseball stadium. Lahat na ng sports nandito na uli sa Las Vegas. Nasaan ba yung pupuntahan natin? Baka malagpasan natin. University Plaza. I think this is the one. Dito tayo bibili ng lunch. Basta dito na lang tayo mag-park. Alright, samahan nyo ako sandali. Let's go get lunch for my wifey dito sa Vietnamese sandwich. Medyo sikat to eh, viral to dito sa Las Vegas. Alright, see you guys in a bit. Package secured. We have the food and we deliver. Bibentahan ba ng scooter dyan? Yes sir. So since we got the food, deliver lang natin to kay Mrs. sandali, drop off, and then we go home. Ito yung sinasabi namin sa Las Vegas na ang aming state flower is yung mga orange cones na yan. Kasi kahit saan ka pumunta dito sa Las Vegas, Lagi na lang may construction, no matter what street ka mapadpad. Kaya yan ang tinatawag nilang national cone or national flower of Las Vegas. Etong area na to, tong Grand Junction na to, ito ata yung pinakatatawagin nila, or I think approved na ng city. Ito yung pinaka Filipino town dyan sa area na yan. Diba, meron Chinatown, may Koreatown, meron na rin kaming Filipino town dito sa Las Vegas. Dyan sa Maryland kasi, yung strip na yan, yung mahaba, nandyan yung Seafood City, meron Jollibee dyan, Chowking, may Goldilocks. Tapos basta maraming maliliit tsaka malalaking Filipino stores dyan. So I guess doon nila na figure out na gagawin na siyang Filipino town. O diba? Lakas ng Pilipino talaga. May sarili tayong town. Fogo de Chao. Diba may ganyan na rin sa Pilipinas ngayon, yung Fogo de Chao. Like Brazilian steakhouse, barbecue steakhouse. Let's go, let's go, let's go. Ah, okay. We are here. Oh, mainit si Multistrada. Mandar yung kanyang fan. Alright, let's go deliver a food. Let's go deliver her lunch. And then uwi na tayo after neto. Okay, we'll be back. Alright, delivery is done. Uwi na tayo. Daan tayo na Sphere para makita nyo siya during the day, which is not very impressive. It's better ang Sphere pag madilim kasi mga ilaw niya, di ba? Itong side naman ng Howard Hughes, itong area na to, I don't know if you guys well, sa 360 I'm sure you guys can see it. Puro corporate buildings. When I used to work way back when, more than 15 years ago, sa AT&T, dito kami nagtitraining. Isa dito yung building ng AT&T for corporate building. Actually, I think it was that building if I can remember. But I'm not sure kung nandyan pa sila. Kasi syempre, 15 years ago was a long time ago. Sobrang dami nag-develop dito sa Las Vegas. I'm sure lumipat na sila sa ibang mas magandang building. There you go, guys. That's the Sphere. Sana nakikita sa 360 kung anong naka-display sa kanya. And we hit another stoplight. Dito tayo banda sa Silong. Here on our right, dito yung Wynn. I'm sure you guys can see it sa 360 natin sa likod. Tapos Venetian, Fashion Show Mall, Treasure Island. Okay, now we need to merge to the right so pasok tayo ng freeway. Thank God we are free. Alright, so Inantay ko lang makalagpas tayo ng strip para mapakita ko sa inyo yung itsura nun during the day. But we are heading home. Tapos na yung ating lakad for today, and nakapaghatid tayo ng food kay Mrs. So yeah, we'll see you guys on the next video. Thank you for coming with me today and sa amin nila Mr. Sarap Vlogs. We'll see you guys on the next one. God bless and be a blessing to one another. Peace.